Good morning, student. I am Sudipta ma'am with GK of class 4. In the last class, you have done the bird quiz on page 7. This one we have finished this page. You will read, you will learn this question and answers from here from the book, and later I will give you some more short answers. Today we will do some word meanings from the bird quiz. Today I will tell you about your classwork copies. First, you learn the word meanings, then I will tell you. Bird quiz, page 7, word meanings. Number 1, habitat. H-A-B-I-T-A-T, habitat. H-A-B-I-T-A-T, habitat means a normal home of an animal or plant. A normal home of an animal or plant. A normal home of an animal or plant. Convenient. Number 2, convenient. C-O-N-V-E-N-I-E-N-T. Convenient. C-O-N-V-E-N-I-E-N-T. Convenient means suitable. S-U-I-T-A-B-L-E. Suitable. S-U-I-T-A-B-L-E. Suitable. Number 3, flightless. F-L-I-G-H-T. Flight. L-E-S-S. Less. Flightless. Birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Flightless birds. What is the meaning of flightless birds? The birds that cannot fly. The birds that cannot fly. So this word meanings you will do in your classwork copy. First one, habitat. H-A-B-I-T-A-T. Habitat. A normal home of an animal or plant. Number 2, convenient means suitable. S-U-I-T-A-B-L-E. Suitable. Number 3, flightless birds. The birds that cannot fly. The birds that cannot fly. Number 4, wading birds. W-A-D-I-N-G. Wading. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. What is the meaning of wading birds? Water birds with long legs and beaks. Water birds with long legs and beaks. B-E-A-K-S. Beaks. Wading birds are water birds with long legs and beaks. Perching birds. P-E-R-C-H-I-N-G. Perching. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. The meaning of perching birds? The birds that land and stay on the branch. The birds that land. L-A-N-D. Land and stay. S-T-A-Y. Stay on the branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. So, what you learned from the beginning to this word meanings. Number 1, habitat. A normal home of an animal or plant. A normal home of an animal or plant. Number 2, convenient. Convenient means suitable. S-U-I-T-A-B-L-E. Suitable. Number 3, flightless birds. F-L-I-G-H-T. Flight. L-E-S-S. Less. Flightless birds. The birds that cannot fly. The birds that cannot fly. The birds that cannot fly. Number 4, wading birds. Water birds with long legs and beaks. Water birds with long legs and beaks. Number 5, perching birds. Birds that land and stay on the branch. Birds that land and stay on the branch. So these 5 word meanings we did today. And some question answers I will give you very short. I will give you in the next class. So from the beginning what we did, I want to show you the book. See. Wildlife, page 5. We started the lesson with wildlife, page 5. Here you have written only the names of the animals and birds in your book. We have done the classwork, only you have written the names of the animals and the birds in your book. We have not done any classwork in the copy. I'll give you, when we will do the revision, I'll give you the very short question and answers from what we have discussed in details. We have discussed in details that you know about each animals, but we will discuss again as revision, and I'll give you very short question answers from this wildlife later. Don't worry about this. And next is plant fun. This one, page 6, plant fun. This we have finished. Question answers, I told you that 5 question answers we have done from here. I'm showing you now questions from plant fun. This way you will write in your classwork copy. Already the question answers you have. Now again we are revising. You will write like this in your classwork copy. Plant fun. Question number 1. Till now we have done 5 questions from plant fun. Question number 1. Which tree sheds its bark at different times throughout the year? Which tree sheds its bark at different times throughout the year? The rainbow eucalyptus tree sheds its bark at different times throughout the year. The rainbow eucalyptus tree sheds its bark at different times throughout the year. Question number 2. Which African mushroom grows very fast? Which African mushroom grows very fast? The African mushroom named Lady of the Vale grows very fast. The African mushroom named Lady of the Vale grows very fast. It grows about 8 inches in just 20 minutes. The African mushroom named Lady of the Vale grows very fast. It grows about 8 inches in just 20 minutes. Question number 3. What is the interesting fact about the flowers of the plant boxleaf azara? What is the interesting fact about the flowers of the plant boxleaf azara? The flowers of the plant boxleaf azara smell like white chocolate. The flowers of the plant boxleaf azara smell like white chocolate. Question number 4. What is the weight of the tiniest seeds of some varieties of orchids? What is the weight of the tiniest seeds of some varieties of orchids? The answer, the tiniest seeds of some varieties of orchids weight just about a gram. Number 5. What is the interesting fact about the plant butter and eggs? What is the interesting fact about the plant butter and eggs? The flowers of the plant butter and eggs look like egg yolks. The flowers of the plant butter and eggs look like egg yolks. So this plant is called butter and eggs. So these 5 questions we have revised today. This way you will write in your classwork copy. Already you have learned. And today we did the word meanings from page 7 bird quiz. Number 1, habitat, a normal home of an animal or plant. Number 2, convenient, suitable. Convenient means suitable. Number 3, flightless birds, the birds that cannot fly. Number 4, wading birds, that are water birds with long legs and beaks. Water birds with long legs and beaks. Perching birds, birds that land and stay on the branch. Birds that land and stay on the branch. So these 5 word meanings we did today. Children, learn the word meanings and the spellings. And don't worry about anything. We will revise the lessons many times and I'll repeat the question answers many times. You don't worry about anything. Okay? Bye-bye.